What is up with you?
Go away.
Move back. Move back.
Oh my fucking gosh. I think that's not AFK. What's up, Hank? We can't hear you. Damn, Julie, what you doing? Pick a box.
I know. I didn't know there was a line at this one too.
Got me holding on, baby, baby. Yeah. Look at him bone and grown because he holding on. And boomeranging through these streets until the break of dawn. And claim you over that, but you're running right back, Bonnie. Don't you know you done and didn't skill that, Johnny below. Step it up and then the nigga back and back. And if a nigga slipping up, and then the nigga popping back. What's up? Baby, baby.
Why do I never spawn next to any meat shields?
Imagine we could have a choice to talk to like the killers also. Ooh,
I definitely want Mitch to be like, oh my god, imagine going against a Johnny. And he'd be like, oh, I wonder where you are.
I thought your footprint.
Okay. I'm
Bro,
nervous.
we're gonna be playing like if Leatherface is like full on trying to tear your back down with that fucking powered up swing and like, gotcha, bitch, when he missed. I did not mean to slam this fucking door. Okay, well I guess it's no point. Wait, can hands take the fuse out? Even if you have that perk.
He sure can.
Oh shit.
All right, y'all got bone room unlocked. Where is the bonus grab?
You want this box, don't you? You want the box.
Actually, fuck you, because I already had two.
Oh, so he's gonna be a dickhead. You. But imagine if we all kind of got the same exit. You can really get her done.
Which one you want to head out of?
I'm in Bones Room.
All right, I'm heading there too.
Practice be choking. Ooh. How the... Oh my god. I know I best fucking hurt. I know he's seen me. I know he has seen me.
How do people like this happen?
Because if you pick this one open, I go through, pick the second one.
Sissy throwing poison out here.
Raggedy fucking bitch.
Run on a run!
That shit gonna dissipate. I don't care about
I know.
Damn, who was fighting?
Okay.
Get to it.
Oh my god. Good luck, y'all.
Oh shit, it's a trap.
You don't have the perk?
Uh-uh.
I'm not hearing the bitch. It's usually a bone scrapper down
They
here.
better not shoot the cops to me, please.
Corey, please stop screaming like that.
Oh, it's right here.
Grab that.
Can you get it?
Grab that. Yeah, grab it.
Okay, go ahead.
Move out the way.
Well, I opened the first door for Jen.
Alright. Okay, where the bitch at? We good. Once I do it, get ready to click clack. Excuse. Alright, let's go.
Shit.
Oh my fucking god. Where that bitch at? Therese, just open it. Therese, I think she can. Wait. Fuck it, come on. Hurry up. Therese!
I'm coming.
Therese! Bring your ass! Oh, honey, we gotta
Y'all
go.
should
Okay,
shake some ass, like,
okay,
right
we
now.
going ball. No, okay, ball. Run to the back. What are you doing? Fuck that box.
Shut up.
They come in here, they gonna fuck us up.
I know.
Oh, bitch, he here. He here. He here. He here. He here. Oh, we could evade this motherfucker. Oh shit, no we not. Oh my god.
Run, bitch, run. He's in here.
Yes, I know this.
I know.
Really? I gotta get the fuck out of here. What the fuck is the well? Oh my god.
Has anyone seen the fuse box?
Oh shit, he didn't see me. Yo, fuck.
Can you
No,
get the
both
door?
of the killers are, both killers are in here.
Oh shit.
Let me out, let me out. Oh, he coming. Where is he? Oh shit, he coming. Oh god. I don't know why I'm so scared. Oh, that's that Nancy. Oh, that fucking raggedy fucking bitch. All the killers are over here.
Huh?
All the killers are over here.
I figured.
Oh, fuck me!
Why are you saying that, Corey?
Y'all might, I would say y'all might want to go to the basement. I'm opening fuse box right now. I'm putting it in and I'm doing the numbers.
Okay, you're good. You're good. You're good. Bitch, I gotta get to that basement when they find it. Like I get.
Okay, it's better be in. It's better be in.
Torres going well.
I'm already down this bitch.
My ass is definitely not gonna make it, but you know.
Bitch, yes you can. Hurry up, get up. I'm right here. Follow me, okay? Ready? Come on.
Just go.
What the fuck?
What the? Oh.
You playing game?
Wait, we got hands.
Okay, thank you, Therese. Thank you. I know this.
Yes. Oh my goodness. Thank God for that information.
You don't understand anything?
Y'all right there. Come on. Y'all right there.
He can't fuck this motherfucker. Let's take Blicky.
Oh my God.
He's skinny.
Man, fuck that shit.
Cap. It's not cap, because I can hear me through your mic. God knows either left. I guess I heard his feelings.
We on Family House, right?
What is happening?
Thank God. Yep.
Damn, why are you breaking down my fucking door, you fiend? Who did it?
Why are you locking it?
So you don't come in and fuck me up? It's 2 cracks. You went through 2 cracks.
1, 2, crack.
Nah, I trying to get my box. No.
Oh, you double dipper.
Just the pause.
I need to get 2.
He was sitting here looking at me through the damn crack. I'm weak.
Where is he? Ooh, come on, please! Oh, so you on it? You a fighter, huh?
Why everybody up in here?
The gang's all here. Corey,
Hey.
fuck them.
Corey, you distracting him good?
Jumping out the front window. Who's with me?
Damn, already?
God.
Yeah, you go first. Where you go?
He coming.
He coming.
I slammed the door in his face.
Yeah, you sure did. He's pissed.
Please, I just want to, please, let me just open the door, please. Let's make it happen. Oh, what the door?
I'm unlocking
Julie, open the door. Where you going? He going upstairs.
Who, Leatherface?
Yes, he's on my ass right now.
Oh, shit.
You better come out that window, but run away.
Okay. Keep that distraction going, Connie.
Layers open.
You know I hate you. I was like, wait, what the fuck just happened?
There's too much going on.
Oh shit, the front door's wide open.
Damn.
Ooh, I want to go.
I know, right?
I'm out.
I know this man did not come down here. Like, please, leave
Come on,
me
Therese.
alone.
Come on, Therese. Come on.
I know I'm coming.
Go at the front door. I'm gonna hit the generator. Let's go.
You can make it.
Is that a truck? No, it's not.
Therese, come on, Therese.
I'm coming.
I'm ready.
Wait, who's that?
Shit, Hitch is out here. I need help.
Do it, Therese. Do it. Wait.
I got
Oh my God, it's here. But... Wait, Wait, hold on. Wait.
God damn it.
Wait, did you unlock it?
Not yet.
Well,
Alright, it's open.
Let's roll.
Hold on, when he goes to the side, we gonna go out. Okay?
All right.
Alright. Damn, Corey, you've been getting chased for a while. Okay, come on. He's far. Just stay low.
You closed the door on me.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna fight you.
Hurry up. Get out. Hey, where the fuck is the generator at?
In front of the house.
Oh shit. Alright, come on, Therese.
Where's it at?
No, don't move, Therese.
Where he at? Where?
Corey.
Over here.
He's right in front of the generator. Look, he in front. Look.
In front of the house or on the side?
Yeah, look.
Front, yeah.
He's in front of the generator.
Okay,
Stab
bet.
his ass and someone beat it.
I don't have it on scrap.
Wait, where's the generator?
Right in
In front
front.
of the house when you walk out the front door.
Is everybody outside in the front? I'm weak.
Leatherface coming. If we get
Someone
caught
goes
in
and
bushes-
grapples them, you can get the kicks in. The strong person could.
Who's strong? Kinda weak.
Sunny boy.
Wait.
Yeah,
Okay.
'cause- oh, he leaving. Don't move.
When I
Ooh,
get out
once
of
he
here.
go, boy.
How about we just?
Run!
Why are we
Tell me
running?
if he Tell me if he coming. He went back inside the house, bitch. What are you talking about? Tell me if he coming. I'm kicking off the generator, so hurry up upstairs. Ooh, I feel like he gonna crack me in my fucking back.
I'm looking
Nah,
for the
he's
fuse
not even-
upstairs.
He's not even outside.
I can do this.
Yeah,
Time to go.
Okay. I can't stand you, Corey.
Corey, where you at?
Let me tell you, I was about to head towards Battery in case this mission failed like shit.
Wait, they kind of ass. I don't want to leave.
You you want to go back for Battery?
I kind of do.
Let's go to Battery now.
Yeah, y'all have fun with that.
You know what?
I don't hear him now.
Max out your points. Fuck that.
Where is he? Therese, we got this. Make sure you save your stamina just in case.
Bitch, when I tell you it's gone already.
That Leatherface do not play. Like, he was cracking my back.
Really?
Putting the fuse in right now.
I bet.
Therese.
I'm ready.
Okay, while they worry about fuse, we can go out the back door.
Yeah.
Oh, who?
I know, somebody's
Get
already,
in the
like,
bush,
right
get in
there.
the bush, get in the bush.
I am.
Okay, he going back. I bought Nina Connor.
Okay. That's my song.
Alright, come on. Oh hell.
I'm out.
Oh bitch, we gotta go. We gonna die.
Shut up.
Okay, come on.
Damn, you taking years.
I know. You should, if we get another one, just let me open it, cause.
It's right here,
Is
it's
that
right
the
here. Just
battery?
go around.
Wait, where you at?
I'll go. I'm gonna turn it off. You
Do the gate.
Yeah. Imagine they come back here and fuck us up.
I
Out the
know.
door, chicken. Oh, it's not there. You're good.
I was about to say, what am I hearing? That's the basement.
Yeah.
Julie's got good proficiency. Damn.
Help us.
Ooh.
You know what?
Hey.
You need to get her.
Remember, Julie? You say you what?
Yeah, that sounds.
That's what I want to show you
allegiance.
my allegiance.
I know that's right.
Come stab me.
There's a box in socks on him.
No. Oh, snap! Where's he coming from?
It's another kidnap day in the basement. Oh shit, he coming. Get off the door. Get off the door, bitch.
He's on close.
Hey, what's this?
Let me get the
Grab
fuck
his
out of
ass.
here.
No.
Are you one stabbing? Do you usually stab the same way? I usually just avoid them at all costs.
Who you telling?
Stop trying to open.
Come on, Bubba, come get it. Come get it, pussy. Miss me.
How are y'all already out? I'm still stuck in the cell.
Oh, this Baba, he is slow. We are
I have to
good.
get the fuck out of here.
Tool
We can
storage.
let,
I went up
a
tool
lot of them
storage.
are new, but since they play killer, they can level up their characters fast.
Somebody just
I
clicked
got
their
the
throat
valve
and
handle.
scared the shit out of me. I thought it was
I got
I'm
Leatherface.
trying to
you.
find fuse box.
The fuse box is on the main building in the middle.
God damn
Not
it.
the main building, the garage building or whatever. I just opened it. It's open. Oh, Johnny's here. Haha, you missed me, stupid.
Ew, who breathing in my ear like?
Wait,
Oh, that me. I'm sorry. I mean Candy.
No, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about these fucking killers.
I'm about to
Opens
try
in
to
the
open
main
this
building.
fucking.
I'm latching the front door of the
Oh,
main
bitch.
building.
He found me.
Ew, why
Main
is
building.
fucking standing still like that?
Oh,
Yeah, the
shit.
main
This
building.
issue.
I can do
The
this.
Who
big
is
house.
that on?
Shit. Quiet.
I'm doing the valve handle, y'all.
All right, y'all. I got battery open. I just got to get one of the
Are they gone?
I got the gate. Shit. I got one of the checkpoints on the gate.
Get away.
Okay.
Please.
Please, let me get it, please. Please. I really hope you don't come and fuck me. Please don't fuck me. Please, please, please. Alright, there's plenty of bitches for you to fuck up.
Okay.
Okay. Generator's open. Oh, bitch, I think he found me. Oh, I think he found me. Did they not hear the shit is on? Is the shit still on? But she's the
No.
They're gone.
Anybody near that valve handle at the back of the house?
Oh my god, I found my footprint. I'm so happy.
Uh.
I have to watch myself.
Is he leaving? He's a fucking idiot. He's a fucking dumbass. Oh shit, Johnny. Wait, is he leaving? Oh no, he just coming in my side.
A sissy's coming to car battery.
I'm about to jump down the well. This nigga has almost. Wait, did he fly? Come on, you got other things to worry about. I know you hear that valve.
I think it's clear. Maybe.
Whoever's over there trying to pick that gate, the other gate's already open.
Okay, bet.
But don't come through it. Oh, he's digging. Oh, you probably can. Yeah. Don't mess with Yanni. He almost killed me.
I'm leaving it alone.
He hit me like 3 times and almost died.
I'm scared as shit. Oh shit. Please don't come over here.
That motherfucker's powerful.
Oh, she's such a dirty
Go to
bitch.
base
No,
exit.
no.
Did we already get water pressure valve open? Let me
Oh
go
my
in.
God, where's the well car battery? Oh, he digging. Oh, I see it.
Did we get
Fuse is in, but I couldn't get it off. Johnny fucked me up.
Okay,
I
bet.
don't enjoy.
Cause I feel like we can't do shit.
And the valve handle's on the thing
He
too,
didn't,
so like
he
you
didn't
fuck with
fucking
both
open
of
it,
those.
Corey.
Okay, maybe we need to try
Where's the fuse box at?
y'all wanna try basement?
Fuse is on the camper shed.
Oh, okay.
The Leatherface is circling.
Valve is on the back of the house.
I'm telling y'all can do something in the house because they're both camping
Johnny
a generator.
Wait, what'd you say to it?
They're camping generator.
They're doing both at the same time, fuse and valve.
Yeah.
Johnny's coming to fuse right now. I think he might have saw me.
I like
No, he
doing
didn't see me.
valve. It's so funny. Or they keep trying to run over and turn that shit on.
Oh, he's still down here. Oh, I got
I've
to
got
get the fuck.
bullied by a Wyatt before though. Like playing killer, he shake me, beat the shit out of me, and turn that shit on in my face, and I couldn't do shit about it.
Damn. I've never had this much camping going on in my life
I was
happen.
all over the fuse.
Oh, this bitch is a dumbass hoe. She's a dumbass hoe. She's gonna spit on the well, so I can't jump down it because she saw me. Oh, I'm getting dug in. Oh, she. So you stupid bitch, you thought. Yeah, I don't have to go down your shitty well.
All
I
right,
feel like
bet.
they're hitting me, but they're too far away. makes sense.
I think Leatherface is on his way. He is. As soon as he run out, I'm running in.
On the way where?
Right, that's what I'm trying to figure out.
It's an honest question.
Over a generator.
Oh, okay. Damn, has anyone tried car battery? What? Damn, y'all are thirsty. What the fuck is medicine? Oh, bitch. Need some alcohol, y'all. Yeah.
Please, something open this.
Tell me. Damn, Johnny.
No,
Two
my
killers
kid's
going to
right.
the generator. Oh, you about to get fucked up.
Well, I'm in the house, so hopefully no one comes
Excuse me?
and murders me.
I'm gonna say I'm in the house. What you mean?
Y'all and my dumb ass is over here in
Go in the
generator.
house, go in the back, and do the valve handle.
Alright.
Man, so much
Why do I
pressure
hear
already.
Sunny next to
Need
me?
one more.
Bitch, why can't I be next to you? What's your
Making the
problem?
block hot.
Look at your little ass. You look dumb.
Y'all, I'm dead. Leatherface got me. Going for this fucking generator.
I'm gonna do loud. Hold on. This bitch almost on. They gonna dick me. Okay, can you get off the valve? Damn, double whammy. Oh my god, I think you saw me.
Why would you bring your stinking ass over?
Bitch, they're trying. Don't worry about it.
Oh, damn. Run, Connie, run.
We got it. Let's go.
I gotta get off this.
Y'all fucking ugly.
Wait,
Run, run.
Is it on?
Yes. Oh, wait, oh wait. No. It's not. Oh my god.
Oh, it's not
Corey,
open. They
behind
turned
me.
it off.
Corey, behind me, Corey. Wait, why'd you jump down? You didn't see me.
I'm literally in one shot. I could not afford nothing.
Get to the well. It closed.
Oh my god, they beating the shit out of you.
You know what? Shut up. Not watching from the bushes.
Come up. Yeah, I know.
Oh shit!
There
I'm
we
just
go.
sitting in the bushes waiting for that shit to open. This shit takes forever. It's crazy.
I know.
As long as they don't try to body block it. Where Bubba? Damn, is it gonna open? The fuck? Y'all sure we turned it on?
No, it's closed. They turned it off.
I swear they turned it off.
They turned it off.
Chasing us.
That's why you don't hear it no more.
What?
It's off.
I heard the. Don't piss me off right now. Everybody.
I thought that was like kind of, you know.
No, I heard the ding sound.
I thought it opened too, but they turned it off.
Hope the others are okay.
Somebody please go turn that bitch back on. Like, it's almost like wide open. Like, it's almost
Do
there.
the valve again. We gotta do it.
Oh my goodness. Johnny's looking for footprints.
Oh, I
You
forgot
know,
about
like,
this
you
old
gotta get-
tag. Bitch died.
You know what?
Period.
And all you see is Corey across the map stabbing Grandpa.
Okay, now he's coming to Grandpa.
Thank
Oh,
you.
never mind. You don't even know what to do. He's
Seems
struggling.
I've lost them.
So who's in car battery? Probably Bubba.
Y'all done took all the alcohol.
I think Leatherface is. Wait, you said Leatherface was in the house?
No, I don't know where Leatherface is.
Le-
Obviously, it's Johnny.
That's where he was guarding when I died. Generator.
Oh yeah, look at you. He mad as shit.
Stop.
I'm surprised the bitch ain't spit on it. I would have talked to him.
That part.
Because get off my shit.
Look at you still in the bushes waiting for it to open. They closed it again. Turned it off.
She gonna start cock blocking it.
Yeah.
I gotta go. I can't stay
Part
here in
of
these
it,
bushes.
I'm irritated.
Oh, there he is. He just guard. Oh, he's guarding the fuse.
Yeah, you need someone to stab him and someone else do it.
Oh, somebody can distract, and then somebody can do it. Quick math. Hello. Who's this coming up the ladder right now?
Corey.
Don't worry about it.
Something I want to show you.
Bitch, I can distract him, and you can do the fucking fuse real quick. pissed me off. It's her about bringing it.
And Johnny ain't moving off that fuse the way he's guarding it, with that looking like Barney.
Ooh, see if I have to go do the water bath.
Oh yeah, that's smart. Yeah.
Delicious.
Oh, bitch, is he coming back? I'm scared. He gonna dick me. He gonna dick me so good. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Therese, help me. Fuse box.
Over here.
Damn. Get in the crack.
So
Why you ain't
close.
getting the crack?
I was so close. Please, I need to win. I need to win. Let me. Ah, I'm trying to go box away. Oh my gosh, I almost had it, but my fucking finger slipped.
Your
Oh, yeah, I
thing.
just have to do one more.
Your
Right
thing.
now, right now I'm in
More.
Gen. Like I don't even think they pressed. Honestly,
Fuck,
Did you
please,
notice
whoever.
the delay in them acknowledging that he was getting close to you?
Bro, there was one more. Oh,
Get out.
it's opening?
Go ahead. Go. It's your time. Go. Hurry up. Oh, it's open.
Or valve back, baby.
oh
Valve.
my
Valve.
god.
Oh, he going. Oh, please don't dig me. Please don't dig me. Why am I moving so fucking slow? Oh, he coming. Oh my god.
Bitch.
Get the fuck out. Get the map.
Not Corey getting it in. Get it, Corey. Get it, bitch.
Oh, you're gonna have to kick it 20 times.
Kick, bitch. Kick.
Oh, I ain't scared.
Oh shit. You better run.
He on the other side of the map getting it. Not letting all my unlocking go in vain.
You almost fucking killed me.
No, I died for that. But we gotta
Yeah.
fuck them.
That's enough candy. I got the gibbers. That Bubba, like, I see him in the beginning. Oh, well, he killed y'all. Never mind. Never mind. Y'all experienced hell. Wait, actually, did I even see him?
Please.
Y'all got me feeling like it's a fuck.
So, like, it's way more than I'm supposed to get paid. And I'm not even gonna say shit. I'm just gonna see what they gonna do.
That happened to
Why would
me
I block
too.
my blessings? That's
Before.
God right there.
Yep, that's what you're
Did you
supposed to do.
take the
Not
money?
say shit.
I mean, did it go into your account?
Hell yeah, it did.
They'll make you pay it back if they notice.
Yeah.
Hey, you want to open the cold room door? Like, come on.
Come on, like, you disturbing business. Okay.
Do we have a Leatherface?
Perfect. Thanks for doing that.
Hi, look at you. Gag.
Yeah, it made me grab the fucking health. You know, they pour some of that shit on you.
He's trying to grab my box. He's trying to grab my box. Oh,
What do you mean? I think you locked the door. We're safe now.
yeah. Takes him a little while to get to me. While he's breaking that shit, I'm gonna sleep to the title. I don't hear him. You know, every time I say that, then I always hear him.
I'm opening the lair door.
What you got, Anna? Hey, I love this door. It's my favorite door. We're good right now. They're all upstairs. Seems like, yep, they all upstairs.
Duh.
Shut the fuck up. Oh, you don't have a Leatherface. Oh, somebody came down
Someone's
to the
downstairs.
Leatherface later. Come to the crack, Corey, and the door's open.
That's Mr. Johnny Boy. I thought he was slick.
So he find them footprints. I don't wanna go
Oh
upstairs.
man, he done found my footprints. Oh man.
Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. I'm scared.
Ooh.
Who's latching doors? You're a sick bastard.
Oh shit.
Hey y'all, it's the Blood Moon map.
Who's
He's
behind me?
such a fool. He didn't know I'm slim thick. Oh fuck.
You got a problem with
Oh,
it?
he better get me. Oh, he better get me. Oh, he better get me.
You just upstairs chilling. Corey's
Pop
down.
that shit now.
I mean, they're downstairs. Ooh, maybe.
I know these two ain't chasing me.
We're good. No one's up here with us. Everybody's downstairs still. Wait, please tell me somebody got a fuse. I know we all come up with a fuse.
Shut up.
Oh shit.
I got the fuse.
Hey, period. Corey, go downstairs to the basement.
Did you see one in there?
Oh, never
fuck? What the hell's going on over there?
Wait, are you
Johnny
about?
boy, do not play. He do not play.
Ooh. Oh, you're doing the fuse right now, right? Okay. Let me. Bombs away. I don't be knowing where this shit at. Like this map, I don't really do fuse, but like I'm gonna come down here and. Oh fuck. Please, someone help me. Where is it? Where the fuck is it? Where the fuck is it?
Bobby just went outside. What an idiot.
Where the fuck is it?
You were lost in the song.
You fucking close the door.
I did it.
Oh
That was
my
fucking.
It's not you. It's Disney.
Not you.
Oh, bitch, stop playing.
Yes,
She opened
run,
it.
run.
I can't. Oh, they digging. Oh, they digging. Oh, they digging. They digging. They digging. Move, nigga, please. Please get the fuck out my way. Please get the fuck out my way.
Oh no, you got fucked up.
It's so fucking stupid. This is cheating.
I can't believe I got through. I can't believe I got through.
Damn, they're all.
You know, he's stupid because
Yeah, Christy, thanks for